Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing J from alphabet lore. Let's start around the middle of the page and we're going to start off with the eyes first. Start right here and then let's go down. Let's start in the middle of the page around right here and then go down slightly. And then once you get to this point, we're going to curve it and then draw almost like a elongated oval. Should be around maybe an inch big on your page. And we're going to repeat the same shape a lot smaller on the other side. Starting from here and going around. And these are going to create our first two eyes. Now we want to split the lid by drawing a line right through the upper middle, making it even on either side. And let's fill in the eyes with these two lines. Really simple, really easy. And we just need to fill these in really quick. Once your eyes are done, we need to draw the rest of the J. So right from this eye right here, we're going to go up to this point, and we're going to go loop around almost like a long C and go across to this point. Once you're there, let's draw in the other side by repeating almost the same shape but on the opposite side. And we're going to go down to around here. It's a long line. And let's continue with the giant U shape all the way across for the bottom of our J. Once you reach that, let's draw in the chin of the J, like so. And then one little line right here. With the chin done, let's draw in the rest of the face. Let's go out from the eye right here, go out a little bit, and then curve, and go back down, and connect it to the chin. And once you have the mouth done, we just need the 3 teeth. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Your J drawing is done. Let's add some color real quick. Looking great. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.